Oh, I thought I was recording all this time. Goodness. Somebody is acting like he is starving. He's had breakfast. He has dry food, which he usually prefers, but this seems to be a hit. There's no corn, wheat, or soy, no meat byproducts. It is simply Nourish, cat food, chicken and duck stew. He does love duck. It seems to be a hit. It's chowing down. And I just found this at Petsmart, so I'm impressed. Petsmart seems to be trying to carry more good quality cat food, cat and dog food actually, products. Good thing.